please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Narrated Ibn Masud. May Allah be pleased with him, Allah's messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, said, truth leads to good, and good leads to paradise. A person keeps telling the truth, until they are recorded, by Allah, the Exalted, as a truthful person. Lying leads to sins, and sins leads to hellfire. A person keeps lying, until they are recorded, by Allah, the Exalted, as a great liar. This narration is found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6094. If a person wants to become a good Muslim, they must always tell the truth. There's no such thing as small white lies. Lying is bad, no matter how big or small it is. It doesn't matter if you're only joking or being serious, a Muslim still can't lie. If someone keeps telling the truth, then it will take them to paradise, and Allah, the Exalted, will be very happy with them. Telling lies is a sin itself, and it leads to others, like more lies, backbiting, or slandering. So don't think it's just one lie. It's not that one lie will lead to other sins. If a person keeps lying and sinning, it will take them to hell. If Allah, the Exalted, decides you're a liar, is He going to give you all the things you want? No, He won't. Only when you always tell the truth, then He will give you all good things in this world and the next.